Today I am going to show you how to make this healthy and refreshing drink using tamarind or samia. And this drink has loads of health benefits which you don't want to miss. So kindly watch this video to the end as I take you through the process. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and then like this video for me. And these are the things I used: tamarind, lime, and you can use lemons as well, ginger, sugar as a sweetener. Here I have cloves, dried chili. If you want it to be really spicy, then you need to add more. I have grains of psyllium, and then I have pineapple as a sweetener as well. To start with this, we are going to add warm water, or you can add hot water to your tamarind and allow it to soak for at least 30 minutes to help it to soften. But you can decide to just boil it straight away, and I prefer this way, so just do what works best for you. Okay, so I will set it aside, and then onto the pineapple. I am going to give it a good peel here, and then I will set the pineapple peels aside because we are going to use it. Please don't discard it, okay? And I am going to juice this pineapple off camera. So I will set the peels aside and then cut this into small chunks just like this, and then set it aside. So on a medium heat, I have my pot on it, and I am going to transfer the already soaked tamarind into it. I am going to add enough water to make sure my pot is full. I will then add the pineapple peels, add my lime, and you can use lemons as well. I will add the chaff of the pineapple I juiced, and then add the blended spices I already showed you earlier. I will add small water, I added small water to it. After everything is added, cover it and allow it to come to a boil for at least 30 minutes. And from your screens, you will just know we are making a healthy drink here. So please don't sleep on this. Just give this recipe a try, okay? So I am going to off the heat and allow it to cool down completely before I strain it. So because I was doing the video, I wasn't having enough time on my side. It wasn't cooled down completely to how I wanted it to be. So I will use a cheesecloth, or you can use anything you have to strain it, because we don't want to have any texture of our ingredients in it, okay? So I strained it using the cheesecloth, and it was hot and casa, but I have to manage. So I continued with this process till I was done with everything. So guys, if you are still watching this video to this very end and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so before you forget. And don't forget to give this video a like, share this video, and make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop any video. So after straining it, I will then add my pineapple juice as my sweetener, and I added sugar as well. Yes, I added sugar, but you can skip sugar if you don't like it, okay? So I will give it a quick stir for everything to be well mixed. Just see my samia or tamarind drink. It was so yummy, and you give it a try and then come back with your feedback. So after everything, I am going to store them in these bottles, airtight bottles, and you can use a nylon to tie them nicely and then refrigerate for at least 30 minutes before you drink. But you can just drink it when it is still warm, okay? Anyway works better. And do you know, traditionally in Ghana, they use this to cure malaria and fever. And this drink has nutrients, it has vitamins and antioxidants. So please don't sleep on this. Give this recipe a try, and the health benefits is just wow. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Give this video a try And don't forget to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And don't forget to follow me on other socials as Hyrat's Kitchen. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. Bye.